let's start with Group A. We have Turkey, Italy, Wales, Switzerland for sure. With the side
Yes.
that they have, with the young, even though they are young, pretty experienced on a club level, I think Italy should go through. And
Yes.
Turkey or Switzerland, what do you think?
So that's what, right? So Turkey, maybe like they are not the most successful European team, but then this year their team is much more stronger. They have a very good attacking lineup, and also most of the players are now like not based out of Turkey. Like they have good stars who are coming out in the other top four leagues in Europe. So they have a very good chance. Amid Switzerland, they are very defensively good team, but I think they are lacking that. Some player who can make the difference. They have a Zaka, they have a Shakiri, but
Oh, Zaka will get another red card this time. So that is what
yeah,
Zaka generally does. So I
he
think
does
you
pull
have
them badly. Yeah.
Suyanshu, you have. I think Turkey might be the dark horses this time. So
Yes,
Turkey
yes.
might go through. I
Yeah,
have no
even
hopes
Cengiz
for
Under is
Wales.
there. Yeah.
I don't know how Wales will do. Like,
This is one man host team. We also have a lot of Welsh player in English Premier League, but then I don't think any of them are that famous that they
is
can.
Ramsey playing? Arsenal player, ex
Yeah.
Arsenal. I don't
Even
know. So,
Dan James
so
is there,
let's
but then I don't.
let's go
He
for
cannot.
Italy will top the group and Turkey will be second, and Switzerland will be they'll fight it
It
hard.
should
But
mostly be a tie. Yeah, it should mostly be a tie, but then I think Turkey should, will
okay,
move ahead.
moving on to Group B. So Belgium, I don't think we'll have a debate here. Belgium, uh, Denmark
Belgium is
or
very tough to
Russia.
beat. So, like you can say, Denmark mostly because of their they have a good set of team, good set of players who can what you say can maybe lead the team. Russia is an aging team, and
But
they
Russia did
are
pretty
like
well last time. So
yeah they did well in the World Cup as well.
again I think there will be a fight for the second place here. It should be very close.
Yes, yes. Because again, Finland is a single person team. There's only
Okay.
Timu. Okay, yeah. He will score, but then again, you cannot just win matches because one guy is scoring.
So fantasy tip: if anyone is playing against Finland, take Pookie, but Finland is going to
He
lose
will
for
score
it.
a goal, but then he will not win the matches for them. It's not his fault, but they don't have any
So
supporting cast.
let's go for Denmark second and Russia third.
Yes.
I'm smelling a draw here. I think it will go down to a goal difference there
Yeah. Again, Russia, like out of the 10 matches, they have won eight and lost two, so they have a very strong record.
in the
But Denmark
qualifiers.
should, yes, yes. So Denmark should, I think, make it. But then again, it will be a very tough fight from Russia.
Okay. On to Group C. We have the Dutch, Ukraine, Austria, North Macedonia, who had a recent big upset. Come on, Holland won't do much good this time without Virgil van Dijk. They're pretty much aging side. I don't see Holland. They might qualify from here from Group C, but I don't see them going much beyond. But Ukraine are, I think, is the strongest side, I guess, out of the four here with their young
Yeah, like
squad. Yeah.
yes, yes. Ukraine has a lot of chance. Like they have a very good team this time. I think Shevchenko has put in a lot of effort for a team which is like primarily based out of Ukraine with some good stars out of the other leagues from City we have Shinchenko and also from Yamalenko from the West Ham side. But Holland is again like a giant who's still sleeping. They are very good set of young players who can win matches by themselves, but again the Van Dijk factor will be missed a lot, and they tend to lose a lot of matches where Van Dijk is not playing, and Van Dijk has not missed a lot of matches in the recent times. So it's a big factor of them losing. But again, like you said, Holland will go out of will get through the group stages, but again further down it will get tougher for them.
I think one point about Ukraine is most of the players was already part of that famous under 21 team
Right.
who won, I think, or did really well. I think so. They have a fair chance. So Ukraine first, Holland second, third would
Yeah.
be, I guess, Austria,
Austria, Austria has like some of that what you say Arnautovic and
Arnautovic.
Alaba
Yeah.
and Alaba is there, but then again they might be better than Macedonia, but not than the other two teams.
Okay, let's go into Group D. which I think are favorite groups for both of us.
Yeah.
England this time.
England, every time we say England has that potential, right? They have always
Dhanush,
a golden.
let us. So we'll have 15 minutes just for England. So let's wrap up the group first. So England and
Yeah.
Croatia. So do you think England might slip up on their first place?
See, England, with all probability, they can win the matches. They have a very good individually performing guys in a team. But Croatia is as a team which has proved again and again they can win matches like late in the game. Like they might score at 80 plus.
Also I think come the tough matches, I think Croatia with their experience can do.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
So although there is a big chance of England qualifying as a winner, but then further down Croatia might go farther than England. I feel because they have that capability and experience.
Yeah, also there is a tricky situation there. We'll discuss that later. I think being first is not that great in Group D. So
Yeah,
we'll,
in the history. Yes.
yeah, so we'll
Right,
discuss
right.
that later. So
Uh,
England won, Croatia two. Not to forget,
yeah.
Czech Republic is a decent side, but with
Scotland as well has a very good base out of English Premier League, like
I hope
McTominay.
McTominay is
Uh,
not their
yeah,
defender. I've heard stories.
yeah, yeah. But that's what. No, they don't have that team to crush maybe England and Croatia. They can maybe at the worst they can get out a draw out of the matches. They might win against Czech Republic, but then I don't see them getting any further.
Yeah, so let us give Czech Republic third place. I think they have a slight chance of getting a draw out of
Yes, they
Croatia.
have, especially your West Ham players, Suchek,
Sushik,
and there are a couple of players. Yeah,
Sushik has been in
yeah,
top on this season.
yeah. So they again another fantasy guy. This guy also might score. He also has tends to score in matches.
Okay, moving to Group E, we have Spain, Sweden, Poland, and Slovakia. Spain is a team that no one is talking about, but I guess they have a decent team, but no one is giving Spain a chance this time.
Yeah,
And no Real
they're
Madrid
not being
players.
seen as winners. But then I think like on their day, there's no one who's playing better than a Spanish team, and that is there. It's up to these people to uh, bring up these players who can do well. They had a major problem with strikers, so this year they have this Morata and Moreno as their alternatives. So maybe that is something which was missing because they always had the creative side of things. Even now, also midfield is superb with Isco and Asensio coming back from thing. But I
I
think
think they
Isco
are
and
not.
Asensio,
No,
no,
they
they
are
are not
not part
there.
of the
They're
side.
not.
They are not
Yeah,
part of the side.
yeah, they are not part
I
of the
think the
side.
guy from Villarreal.
Yeah. Yeah, so if they are being replaced, then obviously you'll know people who are better than them are there, which the team is seeing
Even
as
my
someone who.
favorite Sergio Ramos is also not there. So I don't think.
Uh,
Let's see.
yeah,
I
but
think
then
they might top the group here. I think even
yeah, they
though
should.
Poland
See, they
Poland
have a
is a decent
tendency.
side.
They
Poland and Sweden
like
both are decent side.
last last major tournament they always win the group stages, but then that is when after that they are like, okay, what to do now? I won the group stage.
Let's go for Spain first and Poland or Switzerland. Poland with Lewandowski might score.
Yes. With Poland, it's a big X factor. Like
If
Lewandowski on his
Lewandowski is
day.
playing, then they are second. Else, I
Yeah.
think Sweden might be
But
better.
then there is Ibrahimovic also at the other end. It's not Sweden is not a distant third. It'll be
It
more
will be
like
close
an
fight. It
equal.
will be close fight.
Yes, you're right. But I
So
think Poland should go because they have a very good team which is based out of not out of Poland. They have players who are playing in Italian league and
Bundesliga
German
also
league.
they have plenty of players in Bundesliga.
They should be doing.
Okay, next Group F. This is for many of us the group of death. Oh, Hungary! I don't know what they might be
Yeah.
thinking. We have Portugal, France, and Germany. Come
Yes.
on, France
So
has to be there. France has to qualify.
see, it's basically if I look at it without even considering that those three are in the same groups, each of the teams have the potential to win the tournament. So one of it is the defending champion, one is the World Cup champion, and another is a team which has a lot of potential, but then
I don't
maybe
see Dhanush.
yeah,
Honestly speaking, Germany aging side. I don't see. I don't see. I can't see Muller scoring
see,
again. Muller will be
yeah.
starting.
So it is part of this problem where like traditional teams out of Germany, right? Your Bayern and Borussia. So they're not creating those German superstars. They're creating superstars, but those are no more German, right? Your
Non-German
Haaland
players.
and
You have Erling Haaland. You have
yeah,
Lewandowski
Haaland,
scoring.
Sancho, and there you have Coman and all these people. So it's something which is affecting the team negatively. You see, Bayern Munich can defeat any team at the day, but then they are not giving anything much into a German team. Like as
I
so,
think
like
France has to be there, but on current form, Portugal is the team to beat. You have Ruben Dias, Joe Cancelo,
yes,
Bruno Fernandes, Bernardo Silva, Cristiano Ronaldo. You have Jota, Joe Felix,
Joao Felix, Neto,
Neto.
your Moutinho can also play.
I think
And it's and part of the team plays together the entire year. They play for Wolves. so it's a great combo. They don't have to make much changes in the team.
so.
They
I
can
think
right.
so. My prediction is France, Portugal. I can sense a draw there. I don't think France
Yes.
will go for the win. Neither team wants to lose that match. So I can smell a draw there, and I can't see Germany uh,
No.
winning against
Germany
France,
will
unfortunately.
miss out. Maybe they can get in as a better third position team, but then
They'll have to
out
have a
of this,
huge
yeah,
win against Hungary.
yeah, maybe Hungary will lose out, but then Hungary is also not a team to, they are not
They can cause an
easy.
upset.
Yeah, they might get a draw out of Germany or a small loss, like a 2-1 or a 3-1, which will still not help Germany.
Anyway, France first.
Yeah, yeah, France will,
Mbappe
yeah,
will rip
yeah.
off
Those people are still unstoppable. You have Benzema also replacing Giroud. So it's
Benzema. So it will
so
be Griezmann. Benzema will play center.
Benzema,
Mbappe
Griezmann,
and
yeah,
Griezmann.
yes. You have Coman as well if you don't want to play Griezmann or anyone of it. You play
Mbappe
Coman.
might
Coman is
start. I
also in
think
a
they'll start with
yeah.
Griezmann, Mbappe, and
In the first
Benzema.
matches, yes. Then you have the mid of Pogba and your
Kante.
Kante. Yeah, so that it will be a much formidable team to this thing. I think Laporte is also playing right, or easy
Laporte
playing
might play for Spain. I think he might.
in right. Yeah,
Yeah, he might.
yes, yes.
Yeah, he might play. So France,
So it
Portugal,
should be
1-2.
France, then Portugal, yeah, and Germany, distant third.
Okay, so we have the group stage. We still have the third place to go. I think
Yeah.
we'll have to go again to the group. Switzerland, I think, have a decent chance against Turkey, so they have to be
Yes,
there.
yes. So Switzerland might have a good goal difference. Like, so there is a big chance of them maybe going further.
Germany
And
too.
with,
You want Germany too, or you want something else, like someone like say Russia, where they have Denmark comparatively simpler
yeah,
matches.
so Russia has a chance. See, Russia, Germany, and Switzerland. I see the three as going in.
I can
And
see Sweden also. Sweden also have a fair chance, I guess.
yeah, yes, Sweden also has a very good chance. Again, it is very clear Austria and Czech Republic. Uh, like I think Czech Republic will have heavy losses with England and maybe Scotland as well. So I think Czech Republic might get out, and Austria there is a chance, but again Holland and Ukraine are very tough teams.
So
But
let's go for
like
then Russia 2, Germany 3, and Sweden
yeah,
4.
yeah. So this Germany is for the outside stance. Like, see, there is very big chance of maybe Czech Republic being helped out and having a better goal average than Germany, just because of the group. But then again, Germany, knowing the team that they are, so we hope that they get into it because
See,
they
if
have
we
a
just
capable
compare,
team.
so you're telling Germany might lose to Portugal and France, that is two loss.
Yeah,
If you see
yeah.
Poland, Sweden might have a draw with Poland,
With
and
Poland
they
and win
can
against
win against
Slovakia,
Slovakia. So I think Sweden has a more better chance there.
more better, right, right. So
Okay.
same thing with you see with Czech Republic as well. Like no, Czech Republic has a tougher thing. They will lose against England and Croatia, and they might win against Scotland. So
They will win
yeah.
against.
So it is a yeah. So that is a difference between Czech and Germany, where I think Germany will have a upper hand.
But I
due
think
to the
England
group
are going to
situation.
score a lot. England and Croatia might score a lot against it.
Germany might get a draw and a win out of Hungary, draw out of either Portugal or France, and your
They might
win
draw
against
against
Hungary.
Portugal. I think Portugal, like in the earlier Euros, they will go a bit conservative on the
Yeah,
conservative.
they are not a team who is going to win every matches 4-0, 5-0. It's a very gritty team. They might like win by 1-0 and reach finals. So that is there.
Okay, so we have the group stage done now to the round of 16. Italy,
Tougher
Holland,
stages.
first match. So historically great match, but on the current circumstances, I don't see Holland doing much good here.
Yeah,
They might cause an upset.
Holland has
I
to
think so.
like see players might come out of the group stage. Like maybe some player like a DP can what do you say? He can blast into scene. He might be scoring a couple of goals every match. But until something like that happens, I don't see Holland winning over Italy. And Italy have a very good like a
Solid,
standard team. But
very
yes,
solid
yes.
team. Most of them plays in Syria. So,
Yes, yes, and yeah, and they are very good and like the players who moved out of Syria are also doing well. So
acha, so
they have a
Italy,
good
Italy,
population.
Italy, 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 Italy. Sorry, Holland. Turkey, Denmark. I think this is going down to the wire.
It's a
The
very
teams
tough
too
game.
compact. I think this might go till maybe a shootout. We might see the first shootout there.
Yes,
This is
there's
what
a
I
big
think.
chance. If both of the teams, I think initially they wouldn't go for an all-out kill. It'll go towards the end where one of the goal might be the decider, and again if they're not able to find it, then it'll go to a penalty. So there's a big chance of it going to the wire.
Okay. So Turkey, let's give them a chance.
Yeah, yeah.
Budding
Let's give
team.
a
I
dub
want
to
Turkey to
Turkey.
do well.
Turkey is the better team of like out of these two.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Belgium, Germany. I don't see Germany doing anything there. Belgium clear win.
Belgium will be unstoppable until it's really tough to get a team which is against
Belgium.
Belgium. Maybe a
I think no one has a doubt here. I again this one again I think is going to.
good match. It's a good match, yeah. So Sweden,
I think
since
Ukraine might go one step more. I think Sweden again.
Sweden will have this factor because they have come out like they are fighting against the group champions. They have just gotten into the round of 16 because of a better average. So they have a good momentum to work on it. Like they have a good thing. Like okay, they
One
have the
thing that I
willpower to
wanted to
do it.
point out is the 1, 2, 3, 4 that we selected is actually really important. Say if Germany
Yeah,
can get a third spot, they might get a match against Ukraine, which is against a simpler match.
which is tough for Germany. Yes,
Yeah, with
it's tough
Germany
for
can
Germany.
so anything can happen. But again, I think Ukraine should come through.
Yes, yes. Ukraine should come to this.
Croatia, Poland again, cracking match.
Croatia. It's
But
a cracking match, but
as we
Croatia will
go,
go
go
through.
deep
Yes.
down to the tournament, the experience does matter. Unless see there is a chance Lewandowski, Poland
Yeah.
might have two chances. Lewandowski might score
He'll
two.
score both, yeah.
That's the
Right, right.
only
But
thing.
then they don't have a Modric, they don't have a Perisic. So
Rebic,
it's like yeah.
Kovacic is also playing good these days.
Kovacic is 4-time Champions League winner. So
Three times he was
so
substitute actually.
yeah.
Okay,
But it
Croatia,
doesn't matter.
Croatia,
Yes.
France, Switzerland. I think Switzerland might be a good team, but against France, no chance.
Yeah, yeah. Against France, no chance. Same thing with Spain against Russia. Russia will score, but against
Last
Spain
World
will have a
Cup,
good.
Russia defeated Spain shootout. I
Yeah,
was there.
they were playing Russia, right?
Yeah,
So
but
this is like I
Spain
think
will have
Spain
their
should
say.
win.
Spain will have their
Yeah,
say. Spain, yeah.
Spain will have. So and this is the most decisive match. It's very cruel. Like at this initial stage of knockout, there England and Portugal are playing together.
They are kind of the favorites for the tournament along with Belgium and France, I guess.
Yeah, right.
I don't see. I know England is having a golden generation, but I still think they are too
It's
young.
tough. They're not winners basically. They're good players, not winners. So
I
Portugal
think
should
Portugal might be.
maybe a 1-0 or maybe an extra time goal, which might have helped.
I
Maybe
think
a Ronaldo
something
goal.
funny might happen. I don't know. Maybe Henderson will score an own goal or something like that.
Yeah, yeah, something like that. Yeah,
Might
right,
do
right.
something.
I also feel something similar to that will happen. England will England doesn't have a team which is gelled. It just have a team of superstars, and because I don't think, and they'll miss
I
like
hope this.
their yeah.
Or I remember a Euro where it went to the penalties and Ricardo threw off his gloves and he saved that penalty, if you remember. And Ricardo then scored the penalty to uh,
Yeah.
Portugal. I remember. It's a classic match. I think Portugal will go through. Portugal.
Portugal should go through it.
Portugal.
Let's see. Now round of 16 is done. Let's move
Round of
forward.
16 is done. Croatia, France, first quarterfinal. It would be
Very tough.
a match. Actually, it will be a match of
Very tough match.
midfield. I want to see how Kante plays against the
Yes, see again, Kante will be the differential. The
yeah.
only player who can fight with the midfield of Croatia is Kante.
Yes,
So,
I
so
think this is
yeah,
going again. Croatia can't. This is what we saw in the World Cup finals, right?
yeah,
France midfield
yeah,
too much for Croatia. I think
Uh,
France will go through.
yeah. France, yes,
France.
right, right. The attacking thing is very good. Belgium, Italy, again, Belgium should go. Italy is not as good as
I
Belgium.
have a feeling Italy might win here.
It's an upset if it happens, but then by the quality of team and their scores uh, and their recent matches, Belgium should easily do it. Like not easily in the sense a 2-0 thing, not a 4-0 drubbing. But Italy still has to work a lot towards becoming a Belgium sort of team. Because, so
Belgium
that
then.
is there.
Belgium then. Yeah, let's
Yeah.
go to Belgium. Now
So
you have
now,
two teams, Ukraine and Turkey, battling it out
yeah,
on quarterfinals. See, we defined them both as dark horses earlier.
yes,
Turkey for me, Turkey. I think stronger, tight defense unit,
yes, yes.
better quality
Uh,
players. I know Ukraine has great talent in them, but very young. Deep down the
yeah,
tournament, I think experience do matter. Turkey
right, right, right.
might go
And
through.
it matters, yeah, right. So Turkey will be having better this thing, I guess. It's again, see, Turkey won't go further than the semi-finals.
Let's
It's
see.
a matter of who's going to lose in the semi-finals. So,
Let's see. Turkey
let's
will
see.
go through. Spain versus Portugal again. Battle of neighbors.
Yes.
Uh,
But I think Portugal will run out of their luck this time. They have gone through a lot of things, and Spain is a good team. See, Spain might not win the this thing, but they are a very good team. There
They
is
are
no
a
doubt
very
of
good
the
team,
quality.
but if you on paper Portugal should win.
Yeah, but I think I would strongly believe that Spain should win. Good win,
I
primarily
don't see.
because
I can't see. See if you take the midfield battle, I think most of it is decided on the midfield.
midfield. Yeah, so midfield is same to same, right? Here the Spanish midfielders are more creative, and the Portuguese one are more like are the ones who more score goals. You don't see you
My
will see
prediction
the
for this match:
yeah,
Cristiano Ronaldo will score the winner for this match, and it will be a header. That is my prediction for this match.
let's see. If that is the case, it will be a very tightly matched. Like, I don't
It
see
will be
anything
a
which is
tight match.
big
It
difference.
will be a tight. I think if all the matches Portugal plays will be a tight match, and I
Yeah,
feel that they might scrap in through. That is what I think. Danush, Portugal.
right. Yeah, it's a tough call. It's not a it's not 100% call. It's a tough call.
Okay, we have the semi-finals. We have France, Belgium, repeat of last year's
Yeah.
World Cup final, and we have Turkey, Portugal. France, Belgium,
Uh,
golden generation versus the team to beat.
France, I guess.
France.
I feel so. France has that bench strength. See, Belgium also has a bench strength, but then
Lukaku has been
France by then,
mad.
yeah,
I think if there
Lukaku
is
scores
any
mad.
fans,
See,
I think it's on the defense. I can't see touching their midfield and their striking force.
uh,
If there is,
Belgium defense is not their best.
you have Pavard
So
playing right wing. I don't know how good he is these days, but he's part of.
but they will play Theo Hernandez, right? They have in France they'll play Theo Hernandez and I think a couple of other people are there who are like really better than the Belgium defenders. I think
Belgium, I
even
think
Vertonghen will be playing this year, right?
will go for Vertonghen and Alderweireld, which is not,
Alderweireld, right?
and I
It's an
think
aging thing.
Mbappe and Griezmann would rip them off.
with
The
the Mafia. That's
high probability.
that, that is the it will be high scoring match, I guess. Maybe a 3-2 or something, that sorts of thing.
France,
But goals will surely be there.
Mbappe might get the better of
Yeah, he'll be the difference here. So it'll be sure. Yeah.
Turkey, Portugal. The glory road for Turkey ends
Yeah.
here. Should end.
Not sure because again Turkey will be on the brim of upper confidence that okay they have reached the semi-finals of a tournament. But again, to be fair, Turkey had a easier path than Portugal. So Portugal should see this through
Yeah,
until something happens like a Bruno Fernandes or a Ronaldo injury.
yeah. That's very important. These key players be fit
Yeah,
because they have had a long.
yeah.
Fernandes have been playing the entire season.
They
He's
had a very long season. Even Ronaldo had a long season.
yes, and
So,
they are not
so
young.
it.
Ronaldo is not getting younger actually.
But then I think Portugal should get through. Uh, they should see it through. Yes.
So we have France versus Portugal, which is again repeating last year's Euro finals. France were clearly the favorites last time in their home soil.
Yeah.
They completely lost it. I think they lost the match rather than Portugal winning.
Portugal didn't win it. It was a lapse from the French part, and
Portugal won
that's what
without
I
Cristiano
certainly
Ronaldo.
feel after.
Can you imagine Ronaldo was not playing the match? He was off after 20 odd minutes.
Eder scored and won the this thing, right? See, the thing is that I strongly feel after the World Cup, like French team and Portuguese team have grown. They have become much more stronger teams, and the gap has reduced between a Portuguese and a French team. Like I wouldn't say like both have reduced the quality, both have increased, but then Portugal have increased a bit more because of their like couple of players like Bruno Fernandes who have like much more become a talisman than a French player.
How, how
And
do how do you see Portugal lining up? I can see Bruno will be playing number 10 as he plays for United. Ronaldo will move to the left. Will Jota
yeah,
start for them, Portugal?
no, Jota or it'll be mostly Yao Felix who will be in the center. This thing in the like forward thing.
But
Yao
he
Felix,
was really
like
effective coming off the bench for Atletico. So I feel that Portugal might put him in the bench. He might come on 60 minutes. I don't think
yeah.
Bruno will play the 90 minutes. I can't see
No, but
Ronaldo.
again, see, like it's more what do you say? It's more power to power for Portugal. It's like because France has this Mbappe and all this, and effectively in terms of pace and all, their only answer is Joao Felix. If it comes into that pace where because the defense of both the teams are a sort of like both of the teams' weaknesses, and you will say the French defense is much better than a Portugal defense, but those are not the best defenses. So maybe if they go with the offensive sort of like playing thing where they will want to score goals than just defend and maybe hope for one goal, then I think Felix should be starting. And it's something which they are also hoping. Portugal is also hoping they'll get some player.
One more, my favorite player, Bernardo Silva. He might not have the best of finals, Champions League finals, but he's a key member in the Portugal team. He will do well.
Yeah, but see, it's Bernardo Silva is again, what do you say? He will do all the little things to get his get his goal. But then again, I would feel like there are much more players. Like even a Neto is a good player, and you can say maybe players like Jao Moutinho can come. There's a and the one which you forgot. I think let me check. What is his name? The guy who was the earlier Golden Boy with Portugal, who won with Lille this year, won the League One with Renato Sanchez.
Renato Sanchez.
Yeah, so Renato Sanchez is having his year of his life. So all that hyped up thing where he went to like I think he came to Swansea, couple of bad transfers, but then at Lille he has become a League One champion. And then you have this what to say the league winning captain. Fonte is the league winning captain at Lille.
Fonte, at this age, he's 38, I guess.
But he's right out of a league winning campaign. And then there's Pepe, there's Ruben Diaz, then your Rafael Guerrero. who's from Dortmund, who's a like goal scoring threat, and also Cancelo and Semedo is there right out of
Yeah,
the
cancel will
Premier
play
League.
right. Yeah.
So it's at any sense which you look, right, even for a midfield, Ruben Neves, Bruno Fernandes, Moutinho, Renato Sanchez, William Carvalho was there, and I think it's with Sporting, right?
See,
So it's a
I
very big,
think
and for
both of them.
look for,
I
yeah.
think it will be a battle again of the midfield. I think how well Pogba and Kante deals with their midfield.
No, yeah, Bruno and Carvalho and your Renato Sanchez. It's a even Moutinho also can play that
Yes,
very
Neves
deadly
can play.
this thing, right? But I was looking at the forwards. They have Andra Silva, Bernardo
Oof.
Silva, and
Yeah.
Ronaldo, Jota, and Felix. It's a very good thing. But I feel for the like backup for these players. Once I look the French thing, it's full full of like backups and backup. If someone like Dembele cannot get in the team, so then you understand the team is really, really something. When Tolisso is there, your Thomas Lamar is there, Pogba, Kante. It's a very strong team. It's a very strong team. So
Pogba for
it will be a
United
very ideal match.
different
Yeah.
of France.
No,
Like
no, Pogba is very different from when he play for France and for
the reason is he has got Kante with him. He has the freedom
yeah.
to
He
move.
doesn't have to worry of
Yeah, he
backtracking.
don't have
He
to
doesn't have to.
defend it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So I
finally,
feel France
I
should win
think
it. Yeah.
it all depends. Like I know Griezmann has not had a great season. I think if
Yeah.
Griezmann has a decent season and Mbappe lives up to his expectation with Benzema there, he is a very
Yes. Yes.
uh,
Yes,
he
no, but I think France has an upper hand in terms of the quality of players they have. Like it's a very small line, but I should see if until France doesn't screw up royally in terms of some like maybe an own goal or something like how Gerald did it sort of thing. It should be a win for France or a penalty shootout. Also, I see.
okay. France
Yes, I feel
revenge,
it should be.
revenge for France from their last. So they'll be
Yes, yes.
winning the World Cup. Then they are going to win the Euros as well.
They see they have been very impressive with their rotation of players.
Exactly.
Their players didn't stop coming once they won the World Cup. They got a lot of other players
New
who are
players,
very new
not new
to
players. Yeah.
yeah. Even Ibrahim Konaté, who recently I think signed with Liverpool.
Ha,
Uh,
ha.
so so
He
these
might come
players are
back.
becoming superstar, and they are right into the Euro thing, and they have to fight with players who are already established in the team. So which has an healthy competition. I would feel France should get through, but then Portugal playing a very tough line into the finals
Yeah,
with
they
all
had England, then
with
they
their
had
easiest
Spain.
match being in the semi-final can also work in Portugal's favor.
Yes. They might even rest some players for semi-finals.
See, but one thing is that we can get a small glimpse of it in the group stage
Yeah.
between
I,
these
I
two
think
players.
I think
So
group stage will be different. I can see a draw there. I don't see both of the teams going for the win there. They'll be very since they have Germany there, they might play it safe. They might want to draw. None of them want to lose. I again think if Portugal can get through England and Spain, they will win the final. This is what I feel.
yeah, so let's see. It should be fans. Uh, let's hope. So it will be a good roller coaster of a month for us to
Yeah,
watch this match.
let's go for France then.
Hopefully, the matches live up to these expectations that we have.
Yes, so let's go with France then.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know. I think Portugal might. I think if they can get a win over England and Spain, I think they might win. I'm not sure. They might be confident enough. Let's see. But going by the paper, going by the team squad, I think France should win. Let us see. Yeah, France. Okay, so most of this is how most of them have voted. France 23%, which is according to what we predicted. England, I think England can be here in the round of 16. If somehow England can win against Portugal, they can.
Yeah, so there this can easily be replaced by your Spain and England. So that's what I'm saying. Portugal is going through a very tough line, and anyone can replace them. We are just going with the uh, benefit or doubt for Portugal because they have grown well after their last Euro triumph. So
Yeah.
it's no more just Ronaldo. So that's a good thing.
And last, who will be the Golden Boot winner? Any guesses there?
Golden Boot is tough, yeah. These the players whom we expect to score a lot don't score when they play for their
I think
countries.
everyone would tell Mbappe, but I think Griezmann would be there
Griezmann, yes, Griezmann does that.
because
He,
of all these
he does a lot of
penalties
tap-ins.
that happen because of war. I think they'll get a lot of penalties, and Griezmann will score everything.
It will be someone from France because Portugal will not have high-scoring games,
Yes.
and Portuguese will play. France will play the most number of games, so there is a
Yeah.
bigger chance for them.
If England can reach, say, till semi-finals or finals, I think Harry Kane would be right up there. He will score. He will
Harry
score
Kane,
at least 5 goals. Yeah.
Harry Kane will score. It is a make or break season for him. He'll play well. He'll move to City. He doesn't play well. They'll do something else. So it's a good thing to see. Let's see where England also reach. They have a lot of potential, but let's see.
Yeah. Let's see. So we'll be having more similar discussions as we move forward and as we reach towards the tournament. We also will have a similar video on Copa America. There has been some issues like where it will be hosted and things. Once everything gets sorted out, I think we'll have a video there also. So that's it.
Let's
Thanks, bro. Let's see.
thanks.
Let's
Same.
see.
Let's hope our prediction has
Prediction.
something to do with the reality.
Yes. Great talking. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, take
Bye
care.
bye. Adios. Bye.